Oh, hey, you. Oh, I'm speeding on a highway, going too fast. If I don't slow down, I just might crash. I thought I knew just what I wanted, but I didn't know me. Nothing true would last. I cried a lot. I learned to not just like everyone else. We paid for us like me. That's when I take the passenger seat and let go, let go, let go. For love to control, I have to let go, take the wheel. I'm not driving no more. My feet are pulling me this way and that to shake my ground so I fall flat. Flashing signs in my mind remind me who I am. The reckless road I wasn't meant for. Love with thoughts of never finding love, but here you are come. So I can take the passenger seat and go, let go, let go. For love to control, I had to let go, the wheel. I'm not driving no more. I had to let go, for your love to control. I had to let go, take the wheel. I'm not driving no more. Love knows where to go. Don't gonna take my hands off. Gonna let you be in control.
Burning out the feeling.
Driving to what's real. Remain through zero. Making stress disappear.
Now that you're here.
Free. That's what you do to me.